Hello everyone. In our previous class, we stopped at question 15 of the 2013 Waec mathematics question. So today I will be continuing from question 16 to question 20. So now let's look at question 16. Question 16 is talking about the curved surface area of a cylinder. The curved surface area was given and this without a radius. They gave us the height, so we should find what? The radius. So what's the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder? So we first of all write what they give us. H, they give us H, height as 7 cm, and they give us curved surface area, which I will write as CSA. CSA is 264 centimeters squared. So let's write the formula for curved surface area. CSA, which is our curved surface area, is equal to 2 pi RH. And we know that CSA from the question was curved surface area from the question was given as 264. So I'll replace this CSA with what? 264. Then this is my 2, I'll put it here. Times pi is 22 over 7. So we say 22 over 7 times radius. That's what the solution should find. Then times h. H is 7. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll say 7 will divide 7. So I will now say, write down this 264. Equal to 7 divided by 7, that's 1. So we are left with just 2, 22, and arrow. So here we'll now be 2 times 22, 44. 44 times arrow, we have 44 arrow. So we say 44 arrow. Then, when I divide both sides by 44, arrow will be equal to 264 over 44. Therefore, my radius will be equal to 6 cm. So, option A is the correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Now, in this question, we have a triangle PQR. So I'll draw PQR like this. So since they say triangle PQR is a triangle, I'll make my P will be here, my Q will be here, and then my arrow will be what? Here. Now they said PQ is 12, so I'll put 12 cm here. Then angle PQ arrow, that's PQ arrow is 50.1. So say yes, what? 50.1. Now they said calculate the length of the perpendicular from P to Q arrow. The length of the perpendicular will be from here down to Q arrow. So that is, we draw a straight line down. So that's my length now. I will name it as H. Now I have the angle. I have this place which is called the hypotenuse. So I'm looking for H. So I'm going to apply the SOHCAHTOA. So according to SOHCAHTOA, SOH means sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now, so we'll say sine 50.1 will be equal to, our opposite here is H. So we'll say H over, our hypotenuse is 12. So put 12 here. Now, sine 50.1 is, from my four-figure table, is 0.7672. 0.7672 equal to H over 12. Our next thing to do now, I'm going to cross multiply. So that is 0.7672 times 12. Everything equal to H. Therefore, H will now be equal to 9.2. 9.206. Now, approximately, H will be 9.21. So our correct solution, our correct answer is B. Let's look at the next question. Now, our next question, we are told to find, well, we are working with the function they gave us here is the total surface area of a solid cone. So we should calculate the total surface area of a what? Solid cone. Now, they gave us the slant height. Slant height is 18 cm, and they gave us the diameter, the base diameter. Diameter is 34 cm. Now, if we get if we have gotten the diameter, we can calculate for the radius. So if diameter is 34 cm, then therefore the radius will be 34 divided by 2, which is what? 17 cm. So now let's look for our formula for calculating total surface area of a solid cone is, so say TSA, total surface area, equal to pi r square plus pi rl. L is what? Slant height. So total surface area pi is what? 22 over 7 times Radius is 17, so here will be 17 square. Everything plus pi again, 22 over 7 times arrow is 17 times L is what? 18. Now I will continue. So here will now be TSA, total surface area, equal to 22 times 17 times 17 all over 7 plus 22 times 17 times 18 again, 22 times 17 times 18 all over 7. So total surface area will be equal to 22 times 17 times 17 will give us 6358. 6358 over 7 plus 22 times 17 times 18 will give us 6732. 6732 over 7. Now, since they have the same denominator, we are going to say 6358 plus 6732, everything all over 7. Then now TSA, total surface area, will now be equal to this plus this, that is 13,090 all over 7. Total surface area is therefore equal to 1870 centimeters square. So that's our final answer, and the answer to the question is C. Let's move to our next question. Now in this question, we are in the figure, O is center of a circle and OY is equal to SY, and everything is equal to 7. That means from here to here is what? 7. Here is what? 7. Here is what? 7. It's an equilateral triangle. So, and in an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal, and each angle is what? 60 degrees. So they told us here to calculate. They say that if the triangle OSY is removed from inside the circle, is cut from inside the circle, calculate the area of the remaining portion. To calculate the area of the remaining portion, we say area of remaining portion is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle. So now we need to get the area of the circle. Now from the diagram here, our radius is 7. So we say area of circle is what? Pi r square minus, now our area of a triangle will be 1 over 2 times r square times sine theta. Pi is 22 over 7 normally, times our radius is 7 square. Everything minus 1 over 2 times 7 square times sine theta. Theta now is supposed to be from here. Either theta is what? This angle or this angle or this angle. All of them, they are the same. So we just say theta is what? 60 degrees. Since each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60. So use 60 degrees. So the next thing I'll do, here will now be 22 over 7 times 49. 22 over 7 times 49 minus 1 over 2 times 49 times sine 60 is 0.8660. Now, 49 can divide 7, so we have 22 times 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7, so we have 22 times 7 minus 49 times 0.8660. Everything all over 2. 49 times this, all over this 2. Now, we see 22 times 7 will give us 154 minus 49 times this will give me 42.434 over 2. Now, this we divide this. So we say 154 minus this divided by this, we got 21.217. So this minus this, I got 132.783. 132.783. Now, approximately, they said that our answer should be in 3 significant figures. So we count 1, 2, 3. The next number is more than a 5, so we add 1 to this. So here will become 133 centimeters square. So that's our answer, and our answer is A. Our next question, our final question for today. We say we should find P in this particular question. Now, in this question, what I will just do is that I will say that 3P is corresponding to this angle here. Here is also 3P. And if you look at them, both of them are in a straight line. So we can just say P plus 3P equal to 180. Sum of angles in a straight line is equals to 180, and both of them are in a straight line. So P plus 3P, that's 4P, equal to 180. Therefore, P will be equal to 180 over 4. And P will be equal to 45 degree. P will be equal to 45. So, and our answer is what? B. So that's what's top for today. We'll continue from question number 21 in our next class. Thank you.